Hello guys! Today I am making a foaming hand soap using liquid Castile soap base and these nice jars from Wholesale Supplies. I went back to the Handmade Studios and I got more containers because I was all out, and I ordered more containers from there, and it's been about a week since I ordered them and it's taking forever for them to ship it, so I had to drive an hour and a half to go get some containers. But anyways, I'm going to tell you where I got all of my supplies, including my measuring measuring spoons. So let me get all my stuff together. I already made some, so some of my supplies look dirty, but they're not. They just have a little bit of the oil and stuff on them from the other batch. So I have here a half of a tablespoon measuring spoon, and here we go, a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. I got these from the dollar store. I got my scale from Walmart. I got my liquid Castile soap base from Hobby Lobby, and my water is purified drinking water from Walmart. My almond oil came from Walmart, and my essential oil came from Walmart. It is 100% pure essential oil, and it doesn't have anything else mixed in with it. I made sure to check the ingredient label and all of that, and it is good to go. And of course, this pump top came from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and this amber colored bottle also came from Wholesale Supplies Plus. So I'm going to take everything's going to be done in the container. So first things first is I'm going to do 7 ounces of water. Whoop. I went a little over, just a tad. There we go, perfect. So 7 ounces of water, and with this 7 ounces of water, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of the Castile soap base. 1, 2, and then I am going to add a half of a tablespoon of almond oil. And I'm going to add about 10 drops of my sweet orange essential oil. And then once I do that, I give it a little sniff. And it is fragranced enough for my liking. I don't want it to be too overpowering. It is an essential oil, so I don't want to abuse it. So there's the 10 drops of the sweet orange essential oil. Now, for sale purposes, I am going to add a preservative 0.05 ounces of my preservative, which is Optifin. Oops, sorry. I'm trying to get used to where the viewfinder is. Okay, and that is it, guys. That's it for this liquid soap. You don't need a polysorbate in it because there is already a bit of it in there. Well, an emulsifier was already in the Castile soap. And this is chilled, that's why it's doing this, because I used water from my refrigerator. But you just do a really good shake. And then I'm just going to use a couple pumps here to show you just how fluffy this soap can be. Whoop. There you go. And now it's dripping down my table. So, let me get my rag. And that's it, guys. The preservative is necessary when adding water to anything. But the one that I make for my own home use, I don't put a preservative in it because I use it pretty quickly, and because it already has the soap base in it, I don't add much preservative for my own use. But here we go. There we go. Whoop. Just a nice foam liquid soap. Whoop. Got a little on my face. You could use this soap for cleaning. You could use it for washing your hands. You could use it as a body wash. You could even go as far as using it for your shampoo, if that's something you really wanted to do. Now, what you can do is you could also add some organic vegetable glycerin. It's a moisturizer for the skin, and I wouldn't use very much of this. I'd probably use maybe a half of a teaspoon in there, and then I would go ahead and use the whole point is you don't want to use too many ingredients. This is supposed to be a simple DIY thing anybody could do at home. I don't want you to have to go out and order all of these special ingredients. You don't have to go out and do that. You could use any oil that you have at your house. The Castile soap base is from Hobby Lobby. All my other ingredients, other than the foam pumper, which you could use a dollar store foam pumper, dump out the soap from the dollar store or use it, and then reuse the bottle for your own soap. I mean, this one container, if you're using this for your own use at home, that's it. It's going to last you forever. Not forever, but a long, long time. And this was $15, but I got it for about $10.50 because it was on sale. So for $10.50, I got 32 ounces of 100% natural Castile soap base. And then I only use 2 tablespoons per pumper bottle. So for my own home use, I've only used 4 so far. 1 for my kitchen, 1 for my bathroom. And the rest is water, a little bit of oil, and a preservative. If you want to put one in at home, you should always use a preservative. I'm not telling you not to, but I don't for my own home bottles. But for this one I did, because this one is going to be for sale. Alrighty, guys. That is it. My awesome essential oil foaming soap. That's an all-natural option for people that still like their liquid soaps, but but they want something natural. So there you go. Alrighty, I'm done talking now. Patrick, do you want to say hi? Patrick, do you want to say hi? Maybe. Do you want to come say hi, buddy? Do you want to come say hi? Come here. Yell hi. Do you want to sit here? Let me pick you up. Oh, all right, say hi.
Hi.
All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Alrighty, guys. I hope you have a nice day and enjoy your weekend coming up. All right. Bye.